this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI videos in seconds with Vadoo AI. So the first thing you want to do is you can go down below to the link in my description and you can try Vadoo AI yourself by clicking on that link. And from there, when you come to their official website over here, you can click on Try Vadoo AI over here. And from here, you want to log in with either your email and password or with your Google account. So you can just log in with Google, which is usually the easiest way of doing it. So if you don't have an account, you want to click on sign up down here. And after this, you can select, of course, username, email, and password, or simply use Google account, just like me right now. I'm going to click on that and click on one of my accounts over here because it's the fastest way. As I said, it's going to say logging in. And after just a few seconds, there we go. You now have your Vadoo AI account. From here, if you want to create AI videos, it's quite simple. You simply want to go to projects here on the left. And then after you're on here, you want to click on AI video. And when you hover over this, it will say generate video from text. That's what you want to click on. And after that, there we go. You can then have your ideas transformed into stunning videos with their AI generator. So here are some examples. You can run through these and play them and see what it's capable of. Or you can just start right away. So it says upload an image or just text here. So if you want a random video without an image base, you can just type in whatever you want. So for example, let's say I would like to have someone cutting potatoes in the kitchen. There we go. But now let's say you want to have just that without any images, you would just press generate. But before that, you can of course set the duration you want. So you have the option to select between 5 and 10 seconds. You can select your aspect ratio or the resolution, which can be 16 by 9, 9 by 16, or 1 by 1, which basically, this one is the horizontal one, so the usual YouTube video style. This one is vertical, which usually goes as shorts or TikToks or stuff like that. And this one is simply a square video. Now, you have AI effects, which you can also add on. As you can see, you can have either none, you can have different hugs, AI baby animals, country animals, POV, miniature scenes, etc. So you've got a bunch of these over here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot of them, and some of them are probably those viral ones you've already seen and are pretty cool, and you can use them as well if you just click on them over here. Now, from that, you can then select which generator you want to use. You have the option to use the Kling standard, you have the option to use Kling Pro, and then some other ones over here. There's a bunch of these. However, you must take this into consideration. Either one you select, so when you select one of these, it will take a different amount of credits from your account and take from 3 to 5 minutes, or from 5 to 10, 5, etc. So each and every single one says how long it takes and how much credits it's gonna take, and also it says what it's good for over here. So make sure you do this and select the one that suits you the best once you are doing your videos. So I'm just gonna go with the standard, and after that you can also upload an image. Now if you want to do this, click on image and then click to upload image. But if you don't have it, you can also generate a quick image over here. You can describe your image idea, select the aspect ratio, and then press generate, and you'll get some basically images over here. Or you can select different AI images via this library over here. So if you want to have your image from your computer, click on my images and then click to upload image. And from here, as you can see, you can then put in an image. So I have this image over here. I'm just gonna upload it in so you can see. After a few seconds, there we go, it gets uploaded, and then you can of course apply it, and it will apply to your video over here and basically make what you've written over here based on this image you've put in here. And after that, you simply want to click on generate and your video will be generated. But of course, if you want to get those credits, if I now press over here, as you can see, you can join their Discord here. You can press here and you will get some free credits, so we can try this out. Or of course they have different plans. You can pay and get yourself, and via that you will get a lot of credits you can then use monthly. As you can see, it says how many you get, and then you can use those for generating your videos. So that's pretty much it. As I said, there's a link down below in the description you can use to check out Vadoo AI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.